This is Geometry Lesson 4.3, Triangle Inequalities. My first conjecture states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is blank, the length of the third side, that is greater than. So I want you to imagine you have a river. There's my river. There's the banks of my river. And you need to cross this river. And you have some wood that you could try to build a bridge out of. So let's say this river is 10 feet wide. You have a 3-foot board and you have another 3-foot board. Those two boards will not be long enough to build a bridge to cross this river. Not greater than. Okay? Let's say you have a 13-foot board and a 3-foot board. No, yeah, that works. So, no, change your mind. Let's say you have a 5-foot board and an 8-foot board. So this 5-foot board would go that long, and this 8-foot board would be long enough that they could overlap and, hit the banks of the river, and you could build a bridge. 5 and 8 are greater than 10. Now let's say you had a 5-foot board and a 5-foot board. So they would reach, but they wouldn't really be long enough to cross the river. They would kind of just sink into the river, so not greater than. The idea is when you have 3 numbers for the sides of a triangle, they need to be bigger than the larger side in order to form a triangle. If they are equal, it's still a no, they got to be larger than. Okay, my next conjecture says, if one side of a triangle is longer than another side, then the angle opposite the longer side is larger. So, I'm going to draw a triangle, and I'm going to label the sides of this triangle small, medium, and large. Here's my smallest side, here's my medium side, here's my large side. And I'm going to do the same with the angles. This is my smallest angle. This is my medium angle, and this is my largest angle. If you notice, the medium side is always across from the medium angle. The small side is across from the small angle, and the large side is across from the large angle. And that will always happen every single time. My third conjecture says the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the opposite interior angles. So I'm going to draw a triangle, but I'm going to extend that third side to form an exterior angle. Now what this conjecture states is if you have a measurement in this angle, a measurement in this angle, they will always add up to that opposite exterior angle. The reason that is, if you think about a triangle is 180, and a linear pair of angles is 180, so when these 3 add up to 180 and these 2 add up to 180, this measurement here will always be that same number then. So let's use these 3 conjectures to practice a couple of examples. Example A goes with my first conjecture. Can you draw a triangle with sides 8, 12, and 18? I'm going to take my 2 smaller measurements and determine, can I build a bridge to cross my 18-inch river? 8 and 12 is 20. 20 is greater than 18, so yes, I can get across. Yes, I can form a triangle. Example B goes with my second conjecture. I need to know the 3 angles so I can determine the order of the sides. I'm going to use my 180 rule to find that missing angle down there. So 180 minus 58 minus 36. Gives me 86 degrees. So putting these in order from smallest to largest, my smallest angle is 36, so my smallest side is side C. My medium angle is 58, so my medium side is side A. My largest angle is 86, so my largest side is side B. My third example uses my third conjecture. I have an exterior angle of 180 degrees. The opposite two interior angles would add up to that. So A plus 58 would give me 130. So 130 minus 58 would give me the answer for A. And that's 130, take away 60 would be 70. So 2 more, 2 less would be 72. That is it for the examples. Good luck on the exercises, and let me know if you have any questions.